Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily rename your projects. So first things first, we have to log in into our ClickUp account, into our workspace, and as you can see in this theme space, or as I called it, we have a couple of options of project 1, project 2, then we have some list and list number 2, and let's say we want to rename the project number 1, and let's call it opportunities or business opportunities. And all we have to do is click on the project 1, and the second option underneath the create new option is rename, and that's what we are going to click. So now we can name it the way we want it, or let's go with Matt's project. We hit enter, and same goes with project number 2. We can rename it to Marcus's project. Okay, Marcus's project. Okay, we hit enter, and just like this we managed to rename them. As you can see, we have some to-do options and tasks. Tasks are the same way. You can rename them. Just open the task and you'll see the magic. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.